Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see proper noun. The words like Ravi, Niagara Fall, Sunday, etc. are proper nouns. A proper noun is a specific name used to identify a unique person, place or anything. The names of books, buildings, rivers, mountains, days, months, cities, countries, etc. are our proper nouns. Proper noun is always start with a capital letter. Let's see some example of proper nouns. John is going to visit Paris next summer. So here John is a person and Paris is a place. So these two are our proper noun in this sentence. We will go to Mumbai in January. So here Mumbai is a particular place. So this is the proper noun. Raj and Preeti like to play chess. So here Raj and Preeti both are person. So these two are our proper noun. The elephant is a wild animal. So here elephant is an animal. So this is our proper noun. Diwali is the festival of lights. So here Diwali is one type of thing. So this is our proper noun. Sunday is a holiday. So here Sunday is also one type of thing. So Sunday is our proper noun. We will see collective noun in the next video. Thanks for watching.